Okay, this is my friend's ukulele and they let me borrow it for a while, so I just started playing it again. And the first video that came up on YouTube as a tutorial was Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. So it's quite easy to play. It's only a couple chords, and so I'm gonna try to attempt to do that because I think that this song is really important right now, and it's helping me be in a better mood and know that everything inside here is going to be okay. You don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds reach by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Our melody's pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds reach by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Our melody's pure and true. Singing, this is this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry. Okay, that's it.